Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome back. Mosman Oil and Gas, we're back. Current share price 0.028 GBX. Mini crash going on at the moment, down 20% today, and we're going to be looking at why that is exactly. Year to date we're actually down minus 6% now. Obviously we had that spike back in May where we were up to 0.07, so since then we're literally down 60%, so not great. The share price has not been great as of late, but let's take a look at what's happened. So basically today, they released news of the drilling at the Bard. Some of the results were released, and I have to say it was not that promising. Hence, what we're seeing right now, 0.028 market cap has dropped to 5.61 million. Got a hunch it may recover from this area. It might have met the bottom, but let's see what happens. But for now, let's read and see what's caused this drop today. So Mosman announces that the Richardson well on the Bard lease area at the Vector Project, Colorado, has completed drilling. The well has been drilled to a total depth of 1,007 feet. The lines formation was encountered depth of circa 1,000 feet, 460 feet deeper than anticipated. The well flowed water from the lines formation. Trace amounts of helium gas were noted during drilling. The drilling crew are now preparing to move the rig to the Garcia lease to drill the third well, Green TH, in the 5-well vector drilling program. Obviously, this is the map. So the Bard was here. It was close to all the helium proven areas. But unfortunately, it seems we've only found trace amounts of helium gas. So not a lot of helium was found, hence the current share price of 0.028 and the drop of 20% today. Really, really unfortunate stuff for Mosman. They did increase their stake as well 2 days before, but for a cost of 200,000 USD. So they kind of just used up 200,000 USD. And yeah, risky stuff. Andy Carroll has said the presence of helium, all a bit it in trace amounts, supports the vector exploration model and does not impact the remaining 300 leases, each lease containing a standalone structure. The company looks forward to progressing the next 3 wells in the current vector campaign, starting with the next well on the Garcia lease. So yeah, no other information provided. So yeah, Garcia is the next one down here. Very unfortunate that there was only trace amounts of helium found, because obviously with Billy Goat we didn't even find out how much helium was found, but we just know that Desert Eagle drilling brought it from Mosman and Vector. So yeah, very disappointing, but I think obviously we have 3 more to go. Let's see what the next 3 bring. And don't forget, guys, the real assets of Mosman are Sagebrush and Coty Wash. Sagebrush has 100 million proven helium reserves. That's what everyone's looking forward to once this whole vector drilling campaign is done. But yeah, today's share price 0.028. Great, I'd say this is a great entry point for new investors. It's lower than it was 1 year ago, and it's at a lower price than it was on January 1st as well. So yeah, great time. I mean, ideally sell the spike and then buy the dip, but it just doesn't work like that sometimes. So yeah, let's see. Probably a lesson for me as well. Maybe I should have sold more on the spikes as well, and then because I generally didn't expect that placing to happen. I generally thought we were having a run up to 0.01, 0.1 GBX. But then we had the placing, brought things down, and then obviously now we've had this news drop today, which has dropped us further down. But let's see what the coming weeks and months have in store. Company cashed up, recent placing. So yeah, this placing here ruined us. The 16th of May, there's generally no need for that placing to happen. We should have waited for. I mean, he couldn't have waited, because if the helium didn't show up like it did now, he wouldn't have been able to raise at these levels. So he's done a quick raise to get some funds up. So yeah, Mosman Oil Gas 0.028 GBX. Let's see what the future holds, and hopefully we can get a positive turnaround at some point soon in the future. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Today's not a great day, especially with the RNS that only trace amounts of helium were found after upping the stake in this lease area as well. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. As always, be sure to subscribe and share, and peace.